Hi friends, today we're gonna see about EIA Draft 2020. So what it is all about. So environmental impact assessment. If any factories have to start, they have to get approval from the public and residents of that place on how much waste it is gonna discharge and how it is going to impact the environment. But this EIA draft 2020 will replace everything from 2006, which means companies or factories may not ask permission from the residents. They can just start, and the public or social activities cannot interfere on the environmental changes like the water waste or the air waste which is releasing from the factories. Already, Vizag gas leak has affected so many people. We do not want such incidents again to be repeated. And we already know Delhi is affected with air pollution so much that, and this should not be the case in other cities or villages as well. So, if we don't raise our voice now, we will not be having a voice at all after this draft has been implemented. So, we just have till August 11, 2020. We have to send email and sign this petition. I have given it in my description. Please sign that and send an email to withdraw this EIA draft 2020. Otherwise, in 20 years, people would be killing each other for water and other natural resources. Imagine, do we need such situation in our country? Not only money, we have to give healthy environment to our kids too. The future generation would be struggling for water and other natural resources if we implement this EIA draft 2020 now. So please sign this petition and send an email to the mentioned email ID by before August 11, 2020. With this pandemic, we are already wearing masks. Imagine to wear an oxygen cylinder to go out. If we don't stop this now, we cannot stop this forever, because once it is implemented on August 11, 2020, only the government authorities and the workers who work in the factories can raise their voice. If you are a citizen of this country or a resident near that factory or even a social activist cannot raise their voice once this draft has been implemented. So please sign the petition and please send an email to the mentioned email ID. Let's stop this together. Let India breathe and let's have a safe country for us and for our future generation as well. Let's be the voice for the better change. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for more updates. Please like, comment and share it to your friends as well. Thank you.